This is News 14 Carolina Meteorologist Matthew East here with you. We had a very hot and steamy day yesterday and another hot one today. We'll talk about that. Plus, take a pretty detailed look at the tropics here, so hang on. That'll be in just a couple of moments. Today, there's your look at your high temperatures. We're going to be up into the mid-90s again today. Even some upper 90s mixed in a few spots. But today, really the last day of this little miniature heat wave. Here's the reason why. That's our upper air chart valid today. And that big ridge we had sitting here across the southeast, that is gone, and we're seeing a little bit of a trough dive into that, bringing in some weather changes. In terms of rain chances, a few afternoon showers and thunderstorms will be possible as we go through the day today, but actually this looks like a deal where the rain and thunderstorm chance will actually begin to increase overnight tonight. So that's a look at the chart, the precip from 2 a.m. to 8 a.m. tomorrow morning on Wednesday morning. And looks like we will see some showers and storms around through the overnight hours tonight. And then we enter a pretty unsettled stretch of weather. Pretty good opportunities for some showers and storms on a daily basis. That's a look at tomorrow for Wednesday. Looks like a pretty good chance for some showers and storms. And our high temperatures really topping out in the mid-80s pretty much every day beginning tomorrow right on through the end of the 7-day outlook period. So that's tomorrow. There's Thursday. Rich Atlantic and Gulf of Mexico moisture hanging around, leading to the chance of some showers and thunderstorms. Same deal there on Friday. Let's talk about the weekend, and we're not talking a washout here, but I still think good chances for some showers and storms scattered around, especially during the afternoon hours each day. That's Saturday, that is Sunday, high temperatures remaining in the 80s. And finally out to Monday, simply not much day-to-day change. Fetch of moisture off the Atlantic, and that means the chance of some showers and storms. Now, this little wave you see right-hand part of your picture here, that is the first of a couple of tropical waves that are currently out there. And we'll talk about what the GFS does with that. First of all, there's the wide view of the overall tropical weather outlook, the early morning outlook. 3 areas the NHC is highlighted here, and I would really add a fourth. But one tropical wave in the Lesser Antilles, another one really about 1,000 miles or so east of the islands, and then you have 2 tropical waves out there in the far eastern Atlantic, one southwest of the Cape Verdes and the other one sitting out there just off the coast of Africa. First of all, that's a satellite image from the central Atlantic. There's the tropical wave in the Lesser Antilles. Most models don't really develop that, but there are a couple that do, including the NAM and the WRF, that try to develop that as that moves up toward the Florida Keys in several days. There's your second tropical wave out there in the central Atlantic, but really most models are developing one or both of these tropical waves down the eastern Atlantic. There's the first one, and the second one has emerged off the coast of Africa. Let me show you what the GFS does with that. Well, first of all, there's the composite of the spread of computer models. This is with that tropical wave southwest of the Cape Verdes. And most models take this on the west-northwesterly track. Some recurve this, but most head it in the general direction of the area north of the Lesser Antilles in a week or so. This is the Canadian model, and this is valid Sunday evening. You have the first tropical wave right there, northeast of the islands. The second one, a stronger system there out in the Atlantic Ocean. The GFS, this is a day later now. That's the first tropical wave that's currently by the southwest of the Cape Verdes, but it really hops on development of that second system. This is the European, and that's the first system that's again currently by the Cape Verde Islands. It hops on the second system as being more likely to become a stronger system as well. And let me just show you the last couple of runs of the GFS. This is the 0Z run. What it eventually does with this is all the way out at 2 o'clock in the morning, Saturday the 22nd, so Saturday week, 2 a.m. It has the pretty strong tropical system east of Cape Hatteras. The previous run, similar, a little closer to the coast, though, with that second tropical system. And again, what the GFS, the European, and the Canadian really all are indicating will be the stronger of the two systems is the one just emerging off of Africa. So we'll keep watching this activity. Certainly nothing set in stone yet, but it does look like the tropics are getting set to increase in their activity here. So we'll keep watching that very closely. All right, that's it for this Tuesday edition of the Carolina Weather Video. Have a great Tuesday, and God bless.